Here I have Infocus M810 and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's use the apps icon, choose settings. Here we need to scroll down in order to find here the apps. So the apps should be right here. Under system, let's choose apps, select more key and select reset app preferences. And this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application info actions, background data restriction for apps, and the permission restrictions. But what's really important, you will not lose any app data. So if you are aware of this and you would like to still accomplish that operation, let's choose here reset apps. And that's it, you just accomplished the whole process. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.